Is this an actual joke right now? Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying the bootleg version clothes of Jenny, if you couldn't tell. I like a stuffed baked potato right now, and I'm not having it. Before we get started, I am currently sick, and I have been quarantined for about 3 days now in my room. I went to get tested yesterday, so I'm getting my results in at least today or tomorrow. Please stay safe, wear your mask, hand sanitize, and social distance. Stay home. We did have a gathering with my families on New Year's Eve. Didn't think much of it, but someone was exposed because she works at the hospital. Go watch my vlog channel as I take you through this COVID journey. Most positively, I have it. Of course, throughout this whole pandemic thus far, I've been taking action and doing what I have to do to stay safe. My family and I have been doing so well up until this very point. Sadly, we were exposed. So with that being said, please be very careful, and you're gonna see me a little off in this video. And I'm breaking out in a sweat right now, so if I faint, my symptoms are very mild. It's basically a cough and congestion. I'm still eating really good. How fun! And she's on her period. What a start to 2022. So I ordered these bootleg K-pop clothes knockoffs from Fashion Chingu. No shade. They did their best to mimic the K-pop looks at an affordable price. I've gotten so many requests to try out this shop, so here I am. How the heck where do I even start with this? It's so small. I thought I was gonna like hit. No, I look slutty in this. How? My arms look twice as big, squished out. I look buff, a boxer, okay? I don't look like no Jenny on stage. Like, I look like a slutty boxer. It is 20 degrees outside in the middle of winter. Why do you have a bikini on with leg warmers? May I help assist you? The quality is not as bad. It's very similar to Yes Style, maybe even a little better than Yes Style. As you see on this side, we have a stripe going on. Meow. Why do I look like no neck Ed? I look like I have no neck in this. Maybe if I tried. I'm trying. Okay, for the back. Okay. This is also the infamous Jenny come backstage outfit too. Like, when she came out with this look, everyone was like, Jenny Kim. So I'm in the middle of putting this on, realizing that like, they run Asian size. So if you're getting a medium, it's a small. Wait. There is a zipper and Velcro, so I don't know why I didn't think of that first. Like, I know I gained 5 pounds, but can you like not make me feel like it? I'm going through a lot right now. Suck it in. But don't throw up. Am I breaking out into a sweat? Like a fever? Like a fever. She did that. Yes, she did. We have a skirt. Did not know it opened like that. Oh shit. We're gonna have to suck this in. Making me do twice the work today. Okay, buckle it in. This skirt is actually really good quality, and I say that with all my dollars, except the belt part. Ooh, this is cute. The buckle part is supposed to go right in the center. Then what if it opens? Okay, I'm a little scared that it's just gonna go. Her top is more straight across. This is like kind of pointed. It's like they forgot to snip this off. So the top, I'm not a fan of. It looks so botched. Like, it looks like I'm tipping over on this side. I do really like the skirt. I feel like if I just pair this skirt, a white strapless, we out here clapping our cheeks. If I wore this skirt a little to the side, it might be cute. Just, I'm a little concerned about the ass. As if I kind of have one now. Doesn't scream Jenny to me like what she had. This is literally gonna unstrap. The pricing was a little up there too for this one. Up there as in like, I should be paying knockoff coins, not Material Girl coins, okay? Anyway, I can't zip this next piece. This is a dress. I accidentally got 2. I hate it when I do that. I can't zip it. I have no one to help me. Like, do you think it'll even work? Absolutely not. I wouldn't normally go for like a white strapless, but because there's this black cutout that looks like newspaper but not, it kind of cuts me into a smaller shape, don't you think? So I like the idea, but it is not fine stitching at all. Hers look really well defined, while I look like someone was paper macheing me and they ran out of newspaper. A rubber elastic band stick onto your chesty besties for that hold, but look how badly it's cut out. There's no ironing to this dress that it'll sit flat on your chesty besties in the first place. So what's the point? Like, it doesn't even touch my skin. Even if I pull it tight, it still doesn't sit on my skin. There's this underneath pillowcase, so you feel layered, loved, protected. Back to the length, I do like it though. It feels very like appropriate for my height. It's like a pouch. So far I'm not impressed. Here's the next set. It comes with this tank, a skirt, which I'm gonna put on next, and then this top part, very tight on the So is this supposed to go over? Because it stops midway, you know? It stops like literally halfway of my nips. Oh shit, this goes up my thigh. What the heck? My circulation is being cut off. This is too small for my liking. I'm gushing out in all sorts of places. Look how tight it is. My squishies. Can you see how uncomfy I am? This is so scratchy. Velvet texture. It's actually a squirt, so you have to squeeze into these tight ass shorts. Hole detected. Hole detected. Just kidding. I've changed. You just tell how prickly this is. Why does my arm look like this? They look like little hand arms. I'm not scratching my ass, I'm scratching my thigh, relax. It's flowy. It's literally fabric that they just cut off. Dude, I look so buff, like look at my arms, they're just hanging out like, I look like a douche. I mean, I guess out of everything I've tried thus far, this feels more K-pop, like it feels more like red velvet. Jenny looks superb, sexy ass goddess. The way I'm built in this, I look like Pabula? You call this Jenny Kim? The idea is there, but is the execution there? I don't think so, gal. Okay. So I bought this set in a large. I can confirm, I saw the little tag. A large meaning it's like a medium in Asia. Am I a medium? But who knows? So Jenny wore this with like a white collar top and she wore it kind of off the shoulders. I don't know why there's this strap which I utilized and tied behind me to help hold up the chesty besties, of course. Even the patterning of the squares or whatever is nothing close to Jenny's. There's a zipper on the side, a zipper here, and I like that there's almost this like tight banding around the upper stomach part, so it kind of like squeezes it in. It looks a little flat. That works in our favor. Belt holes here. Not sure why you'd wear a belt with this, but I mean, I guess you could. She has a nice scoop neck going on here too. Would I wear like a white collar underneath this? Definitely not. I love the length of the skirt. Definitely my favorite set so far. I guess that's it. It's a two-piece top, a tank that is super see-through. You pair it up with this top, which kind of crisscrosses in the center. It was kind of weird when I put it on. I was like, what? Has this open circular cut, really bad mock neck, not fitting at all. For the sleeves, you can tell they literally just snipped it off, you know? From far away, even with this skirt, it looks very K-pop-ish. I don't think it's hyper flattering. Look at this cut. It's so weird. Where's the middle? Where's the edge? The circle's not even a circle. I'm in a circle. It's so disoriented. I mean, they got the shade of yellow right. I don't know if I need to sneeze or if I need to go. I look discombobulated. I thought this would have been more baddie, but the more I look at it, it just looks satty. Call me clever. Wait a minute, I look like a Playboy bunny. Oh. Woof, woof. This is cute, but horribly made. Hers look more velvet textured. This, nah. The ruffles are not sitting down at all in their own little funks. These sleeves are attached. There's literally no gripping. Thin straps, which I mean, I can appreciate because it's holding it up. From afar, Jenny looks like she's wearing a skirt. These are pants or shorts. Gives me a little shape, which I like, but it looks like lingerie. It literally is right at my crotch. The ruffling, I appreciate the big buttons. Yeah, this looks like something I'd wear in bed. I am not a fan of this at all. Ironing it down might help. This fake ruffle traces all around back. I just like how it fits around my tummy. I want to be curved. Does it scream Jenny? No. It's cute but poorly made. I wouldn't wear this out. I'd wear it in. I'd give this a 3 out of 5 for sexy time. These pants were worn by Jenny herself. No, they weren't. She just tied it multiple times on her waist, but because I have chubs, it rolls down, so you can't even tell that they're tied. Does it make it look like I have a boo-boo? I was gonna pair that up with this top, right? Another infamous top of Jenny, but there's just no way I can get through this part. Can you tell? I'm very sad about this because I thought there was a chance. Kind of feels like styrofoam, maybe a little plushier than styrofoam. These pants are so thin. These just feel like a fly on the wall kind of pants. Not even legging quality. I'm slowly losing my strength. So with that being said, these pants, no. And that is it for today's Jenny knockoff haul. Definitely not something I'd recommend. Until then, I'm just gonna try to recover, quarantine. Hopefully I don't get so bored I paint the walls in my room. Wish me luck. Until next time, I'm sending love.
Even if you try